Is Microsoft Office Extended Verification pathing failed due to the Msoxev Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Get the professional Msoxev library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Msoxev library, the Microsoft Office Extension Verification module. It manages the localized unmanaged validation of Office add-ins and localized digital signatures to prevent malicious code injection into the Office process. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This issue is commonly caused by Microsoft Office Extended Verification installation being broken. Reinstall the latest version of Microsoft Office Extended Verification from the official website to replace Msoxev Library DLL and related files. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Msoxev library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Msoxev Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Msoxev library documentation. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Msoxev library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.